How's it going? You're good. Just won't do nothing, huh? Oh yeah, she's.
Everything and sprayed lube in there, blew it out with the compressor.
Yeah, she's pretty stuck, huh? Okay. I'll get it fixed up. Something I can bang on.
Done all that. Go ahead.
It's like,
Oh, there you get it.
lock surgery. I rebuilt it.
Okay.
So there's those.
Okay.
This one won't start it, but it's a good lockout key. You could sell it with it.
These old ones will.
Yeah, those old ones work.
Just like that.
Yep, they'll work. So you should be all set. So, yeah, I don't think I need anything from you. They sent me the work order. Alrighty, you're all set.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.